Are you gonna do everything by yourself?
Yes.
How are we gonna start?
First, need the dough.
How do you say dough in Italian?
Pasta.
And pizza dough?
I got a pizza.
Oh, you got a Caesar?
I called it a pizza.
Oh, you called it a
Because
pizza?
it's orange and this is blue orange.
Oh, I guess. It's a weird thing, but hey,
Blue.
be careful, guys. Those are pointy scissors. How do you say scissors in Italian?
Wait,
No.
hold it, Chi. Put flour on the table first.
How do you say flour in Italian?
Farina. Ooh.
More. Whoa, they have it already. What a mess, guys.
Now we do this.
Yes, and then you spread it out. Here, Robert, take it out as well. Let's clean up a little this pepperoni. Flour pepperoni right now.
Well, I love to play with flour.
Okay, now here you just have to use il mattarello. How do you say mattarello in Italian, in English?
Roller.
It's a roller, it's a dough roller. Per la pasta della pizza?
Sì.
Per la pasta della pizza?
Yes.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Wait, I'm doing this.
Oh, that is even better. That's very Italian of you. If you hold it up, and slowly turn it around, that's the right way to do it.
Then I'm gonna flatten it.
It's Italian, right?
I'm gonna make a pizza shape like this.
Yes, but you have to make it way thinner. Way thinner.
I'm making it just pizza.
Okay, you have to make it round because this pizza oven is hot. I guess.
Yes.
We don't really know how it works, we just know that. We're gonna have
It's
to
getting
put our
too hot.
pizza in. We didn't read the instruction, guys. And this is our super hot pizza oven. Be careful, Robert, because this oven is round.
I'm making it thin, really thin.
We are gonna make it very thin. Yeah, that's great, guys. We love thin pizza because we are Italian. Oh,
Oh, look how
there
big
is
is
pizza
my,
from Rome, which is pretty thick.
Look how big is my pizza.
It has to be in this shape. Oh wow, yeah, let's do shake it like rubber, Jacob. I think that if you shake it like rubber, it's gonna work. Yeah, but you have to make it round. Yes, so turn it around, Robert. Gira! Gira la pasta! Gira sta pasta!
This is how I do it easy.
Okay, but why don't you take the roller then? The door roller. Okay, now guys, we have to put one pizza at a time in the oven, so you have time later to play with the flour while we wait for the pizza to be
I
ready.
love to play with flour. Now give me mine.
Tomato, sorry.
Now my hands are pizza.
No, now your hands are flour.
Watch, my hands are gonna turn
Which color is flour?
white.
How do you say white in Italian? Yes.
Way more. Look, now
Yeah,
we're
we need way more sauce. Don't put too much and don't make a mess because we have to pick it up of there and put it in there. How do you say sauce in Italian? How do you say spoon in Italian? Or I'm not gonna give it to you.
Yeah, yo.
How do you say tomato in Italian?
Bottle.
Pomodoro, la salsa di pomodoro. How do you say cheese in Italian? Okay, mozzarella cheese is waiting. Are you gonna put the pepperoni first or the mozzarella first?
I like mozzarella. Wait, I never tried the mozzarella rolls. But I like mozzarella cheese.
Let's cook. No, nothing is burning. It's just the cheese that you put around. But it looks great.
Yummy.
It looks yummy, right?
And I don't want it. I don't like that.
Oh my god, how do you say beer in Italian?
Baba. Baba.
Barba. You have to roll your R's. I think it's almost golden brown. Oh my god. Robert, pizza is almost ready. Look at the pizza. Do you think it's ready?
Oh yeah.
Or do you think it's gonna be another couple of minutes?
It's burned.
It's born?
Burn is coming out.
Okay, this pizza making turned into a huge mess for Papa. Hopefully we can eat the pizza for dinner.
Look, I'm making a great strap.
Oh wow. Robert is tasting his pizza now. How is it? Is it tasty?
Good.
It's good? Okay, why don't you taste the actual pizza? 10 times and it wasn't burning. And it's still not burning. But Robert, are you tasting the pizza without telling us? After all this? How is it? Very good? Or would you buy it?
Yeah. Hey guys, the pepperoni is spicy, so I'm gonna drink a little sip of water.
Your pizza's not ready yet, right? But look how many bubbles! How do you say bubbles in Italian? We all think it's ready. Look under, guys. Is it ready, you think?
Yeah.
I think it's crunchy. It's a little thick. We didn't make a real Napolitan pizza, guys. Maybe more on a Roman style. Or pizza by the slice. You get pizza by the slice in Italy. It's a little bit thicker, so this can resemble. Are you sure that's better? What do you think? It's your better or Jacob's better? Jacob is better? You like it better too? So is Jacob going to be the chef in this pizza place we are not going to open ever? And then we are gonna make this mess in the pizza place you're gonna open, guys?
We're also open in the middle of the night.
You're gonna open 24/7?
Yeah. That's the